Hey guys, welcome back. So we are now going to look at creating our own first custom GPT. So all you have to do is, as you guys know, this is the shortcut to get to custom GPT. And on the GPT, it's a beta feature. Just click on this and you should see this window. So this is only for ChatGPT plus users at the moment, or business users. If you are not on the business plan, or if you're not a ChatGPT plus user, you won't see this feature available to you. So the configure part is something we're going to look at it later, but just do remember for capabilities, if you can enable web browsing. If you want DALL-E 3, you can do that. If you want code interpreter, you can do that. There is also something called actions. We are going to look at it in the next GPT we build. I won't cover it in the here. Similarly, for knowledge, I would not be adding any knowledge input file for this in the first GPT we are building. We are going to look at it in the next one, but just wanted to give you this specific one. So what is my GPT for? I would basically say to help new YouTube content creators get started. So if I just give this, I'm just giving the purpose of my new GPT, and to make in the interest of time, I have pre-populated some specific data points here. So I have listed some specific tasks. One is giving YouTubers ideas on topics they are planning to make new videos, templates for introduction and closing videos, metrics they should monitor to see through the video, and some other specific ones, right? So I have some watch hours, say auto generate tags, estimated average revenue for similar videos, and auto generate channel descriptions. So if you want anything else, you're totally free to add this. And just one more reminder, you cannot currently use anything from the plugins here. It can only use DALL-E, GPT, or the code interpreter. That's all it can use at the moment. This may be extended to plugins in future. At the moment, it's not. So basically, it's generating all the data here with my input GPT, and I'll just show you what does it mean. The first thing is you have conversation starters here. Whenever you enter your GPT, this would be the specific ones that are going to be pre-populated here. If you don't like it, you can add a new one or remove existing one. But yeah, it has created my specific one. And if you are not doing any of the other modifications like knowledge or actions, which we are going to look at in the next GPT, we can just go and say save. And for this, you can make it public, only for people with the link. If you are planning to share this with your friends or co-workers, you can do that. If you only want it for yourself, you can do it only me. If you are very confident it's good to go and you want to do a public release, you can do public. So hey guys, welcome back. As we discussed, you can make it only for yourself, share it with a group of people, and public. And to save that, you also need some builder profile for this. So you need a domain. We are going to look at it later on. We are not publishing this yet, so that's not needed at the moment. But this is how you get started with your your GPT, and it's good to go. So now, how do you, if you want to use it, you can just click on this and it's going to give you here. So you can say suggest a channel name for my YouTube, which will be on geopolitics. So it's gonna suggest some specific geopulse something. So it's gonna give you some specific channels here, and I can also ask it to write a description for it. Write a description for my channel. So it's gonna give you a description, And similarly, you can do multiple things, right? So how do I promote my videos to get initial viewers? So similarly, some basic YouTube questions you can ask, or if you want to pre-populate, you can enter it already. So this is how you can use your GPT, and you can share it with your friends. You can make it public, get more people to use it. So the idea behind here is, I think you got a rough idea for given your data, how to get started with a GPT and how to publish it. And the publishing part of it, we're going to look at it later on. But I think this covers your first GPT and how to get started. Thank you for joining.